Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show you all these MEALCON glass meal prep containers that I got a little while ago from the MEALCON company. They sent them to me for a review, and I've already reviewed them. But I want to show how they look with food in them. Okay, this is how they look with food actually in them. So, I had a little block of cheese, so I cut it up into cubes and put them in here. I had some boiled eggs. And I think these are all the sizes they come in. This was a set of, I think a set of 12. Oh, this is some tuna salad I made last night. Here's some grapes I washed and pulled off the vine. Okay. So, I'm more apt to eat healthier if the food is put up nicely and everything is just ready to eat. So, I just want to show you all this. And they stack nicely. And these dishes can actually go in the freezer. They can go in the microwave. They can go in the regular oven up to, I think, 450. And the lids can go in the microwave. And they have a vent. So you can vent the lid if you want to microwave food inside of this container. And I had water in one of them. And they're actually spill-proof. Put water in it, seal it tightly, and the water won't leak out. So it's good if you're going to take a soup or something for your lunch and to warm it up later in the office. It will not leak. Okay, this is my second review on these MEALCON glass meal prep storage containers. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Leave a nice comment, thumbs up, and be blessed. And look for the information about these containers in the description box. Okay, you all be blessed. Bye.